guys, welcome back. Today, first ever, we're going to do a behind the scenes look at our facility with one of the biggest stars in the industry on YouTube, Stan, Dirt Monkey Genadek. We're going to be walking around the facility, checking out some great products. So stay tuned, check this out, make sure you subscribe.
That X-Blade system seriously is one of my favorites, but we'll save it for later.
First product here, we've got the Catch Pro. So this is an all aluminum 4.1 cubic foot bagger. One of the things that's really cool about our bagger, I know there's some other brands out there that are aluminum. This comes in panels. So if you damage it, you have the ability to replace just the panel. You don't have to replace the entire thing. You don't have to throw a $500 bagger away. One of the other really cool features is the, you've got the foil here. So this is an airfoil, and this inside is solid. So as you guys know, when you're out bagging, a lot of that dirt and dust is coming up hitting you in the face.
It's not blowing back and hitting you.
We used to break a lot of windows as well. We used to spray rocks and we'd be breaking glass. So you have the ability to shut down your discharge at any time. These holes here are actually pretty crucial. It allows airflow so it doesn't drop.
I was just gonna say, those holes, for guys that don't know, you've still got to get that airflow going out the side.
Yep.
And what that does is that brings the grass back up in to help it pulverize.
Things all steel, it's gonna last, it's built right. These things are built like a tank, and they're gonna work on any zero turn, stand on, walk behind, 48 inches and up.
Dude, it's so funny because a lot of the stuff here I've been using for a little while here. We just picked up our mower jack, the super jack, actually right here, just about a week ago. And dude, game changer for changing blades for my X-Mark Star S. So if you guys want to support and you guys want to utilize these products to help you guys run your small business and your lawn and landscape company, awesome. If you don't, totally no big deal. But where you got this whole idea about 20 years ago was just some products to make more money, save more time, have fewer hassles, just really simple stuff.
Yeah, if we were going to use it, we kept thinking if it works in our business, you know, can we help other guys out in the industry? And we realized it's such a big industry and there's so many guys out there. And then how do we reach them? And with social media, we have the ability to reach you guys and show you some cool stuff. And if it fits for your business, awesome. If it doesn't, no worries. It comes with the trailer bracket. So one of the cool things is you're able to mount it wherever you want. Right here, people say it's in the way, but when you're not using it, most of these Catch Pros, or most of your baggers get beat up, not even when you're using them. They're sliding around the trailer, the back of the truck. So we sell or we give, I shouldn't say sell, every single one comes with the trailer bracket, so you find a good spot to mount it on your truck or trailer. You can mount it right on there safely. You can put a padlock in it.
Yeah.
I can lock that up right there. This thing is safe, secure. I've got guys using that bracket, putting it in, in their garage. So when they're not using their Catch Pro, they've got another bracket to keep it safe and secure. So let's also just talk about something cool that just came out on the market.
Okay.
Just started selling these. The first batch that came in, we sold out. I've got another 400 of them coming next week. So this is called the sit-on, guys. So any mower, any stand-on mower with a platform, you can put this seat on.
Okay.
So a lot of guys say, well, why don't I just buy a zero turn? Well, there's a lot of reasons. You guys run stand-ons because they're awesome. They're lightweight. They're better on hills. They're priced better. They're more compact. You can get more of them on a trailer. So how this works is, guys, this is also adjustable in and out, up and down. The seat tilts. So you run your stand-on machine just like normal. You're just running, you're standing, you're doing your thing. But if you're on a big property, you got the ability right here to take a seat. Simple. This comes off. There's pins right here. You pull the pins, you can take it right off.
Wow.
Really makes it nice. The stand-on works, or the sit-on works on all your brands of standers with the platform. So even the John Deere with the hump on the bottom, we've got a special kit for the John Deeres as well.
So I know we're kind of sounding a little salesy here with all the stuff that's available, but you guys got to understand all these products are designed to help you guys grow your business. And by the way, hopefully you give us a little bit of latitude. We just had some fun shooting this video because, hey, it's a beautiful day outside. We're just trying to do the best we can here with trying to get you guys hooked up with really good products.